So table of content, let us revise the topic what we learned in table of content. Table of content is nothing but, how many of you had seen when you open a book you will get a second page wherein we will call that as an index page, where the topics and subtopics will be mentioned along with the page number, so it is easy to refer at the particular page. So when we open any book, it is tough to find a particular topic in a particular place, so they have made it as table of content. So in which page number that is available, we can go near to that number and we can say we can find the particular content which we are focusing on. Okay, so that is table of content. So in this topic we are learning what is table of content, hierarchy of headings, customization of table of content, character styles, maintaining a table of content, etc. So 5 topics we are going to learn, which is quite good one. Okay. So LibreOffice Writer provides many advanced features apart from formatting. So first one is inserting graphics, editing, styling, template, etc., which we have already covered. Now indexing is the most important feature to navigate through the document easily in the documents. Indexing helps to list the topics and subtopics as the headings and with page numbers in the form of table. So this indexing will table of content can also be having another name, that is indexing. In indexing means the topic along with the page numbers are available in the front page. We can make that. Okay, table of content has automated table of content headings in the document. Contents in the table of content is also known as entries. So each pages are known as entries. In the case of input and output devices, keyboard, mouse, etc., all are entries. Okay, and whereas the heading, input device and output device is also table of content. Okay, so each whatever you are entering, whatever the contents you are giving is known as entries. These entries are taken from various categories of headings from the document. So in Libra, what it actually does is you are having 1 to 10 type of heading. So each heading they can make it as, they can show that in table of content. Only headings, you can't type anything. Okay. So you first whatever every topic you have to first assign as heading, and then the automatically that will be that will create a form that will be aligned according to an index format. That is a thing, practical way what we are going to tell. These entries are displayed in the form of hyperlink, so that allows you to quick navigate to headings by just a click. So in the digital document files, how the indexing will be helped means, if I'm having a book of 2000 pages. So in that I will need to go for 500 page, which is the main topic of input devices. So if I need to go that, just I need to click on the index page. In the input devices topic, when I click, it directly link me to the page number, to the directly page, without I need to jump from different page. So that is the problem, that it hyperlinks, it helps for hyperlink. That is a major use of this indexing. Okay, in smaller document we can turn the page, it's not a big issue, but in some documents which all are having more than 1000-2000 pages, it is very tough. LibreOffice Writer provides 10 levels of heading. So I already told you headings, that is H1 to H10. That can be ranging from H1 to H10. These headings can be used as per the needs of the user. The higher level of heading has larger fonts. Okay, so each heading has their own formatting options are also different. Some will have bold, some will have italic, some will have underline, some font size will be changed, some then font face will be changed, etc. So you have to select anything. Type the required headings in the document, select the text and open the styles. In formatting window, click the paragraph style category, choose and apply the headings in the list. So this all 4 steps are telling that you need to give whichever topic should be appear as entries for your index, that should be in a heading format, any one type of heading format. Like all my main topics are in H1 heading 1 and subtopics are in heading 3. So like that, if you are making, it is easy for us to create a table. Let us see practically. Before creating a table of content, you must ensure that the proper leveling of heading must be created. That means, that is what I am telling. First topic also having same heading, second topic also having same heading, third topic should also have same headings. And if headings are not inserted in the document, just create an empty table of content. So if you are not assigning that in a heading, then you cannot create a table of content properly. Now preparing a document, use the different level of heading as per the instructions. So place the cursor where the table of content is to be required. First thing, keep the location where the table of content should be appear. Usually it will be on the second page or third page. Okay, or sometimes we will go for the last pages before the bibliography. Now click on insert a table, insert tab, and table of content. In table of content, click on table of content index or bibliography option, and the table of content bibliography dialog box will appear. Then apply the desired option. So sub options are there where you have to do. Then table of content will be available. So in there are basically 5 types in that main indexing sheet. First one is type. There it deals with the type and protect against manual changes. So once we created the table of content, some person is coming and updating that by manually, that you need to give manual editing permission. It is asking whether you want to give it a manual editing or no. You can do that. Next, entries, level, structure, formatting. So starting point, ending point, hyperlink, all will come in entries. Then styles, assigning levels of paragraphs, or one paragraph you will get. Next column, settings, width, spacing, line spacing, all will come there. Background, whether you want to give any particular background for your table of index, that you can give. 5 topics. Let us see one by one. So title, you can title, user can type the desired title for table of content. So whether you want to give any particular name, like your project name, you can give. Usually we'll give index or table of content. Anyone other than that, you can give your project name or anything that comes in the topic of title. Second, type. In type we can mention all these details like table of content, alphabetical index, or table of figures, table of index, user defined, bibliography. All the things you can mention there which type. Next, protect against the manual changes. Restrict the manual changes in the table of content. That means no outsider can come and do the changes here. Okay. Create table of index and table of content. This option gives you 4 evaluate levels also there for. So there are 2 types of options. One is 4 and second one is chapter. By default there are 10 level of headings. You can give that one. Okay, and you want to create any form, you can do that. This option consists of 3 subforms: creating index, table of contents, and heading. Then second one is entry. So in entries you can see ls, n, ash, e, t, etc. all are there. So here level will be mentioned here, the characters, etc. and you want format, you can do that one. Then click on OK. Entries. So in this tab contain the options like level, structure, formatting, etc. So that allows you to add and delete entries as well as, and also use it to apply character styles to individual element. To begin, to click on level numbering. Whose element is formed. The structure line displays the element from the entries in the level. Each button in the structure line represents the one element. It has the following buttons. So first button is ls. ls stands for link start, starting to hyperlink. N ash represents character number. Okay, it represents the character number, which means the heading number value assigned to the heading style in the tools chapter numbering, not just for the chapters but also for the other levels of heading. Next, E represents the chapter or the subchapter. The text formatted in the paragraph styles are each. Okay, and T, you can use tab. Then ash represents the page number. LE, list link end. This represents link end, ending of a hyperlink. All are their topics. Okay, and next one is styles. In styles, each level you can mention like first level heading, whatever thing should come, and all the paragraph styles. Then third one is styles. In styles, change the paragraph styles in the table of content. So you want to do your own alignment, etc. You can do that one. The best method is to keep assigned data only, but if you instance, if any changes is required, can be done using tab. It has levels and paragraph. Two things will come there: level as well as paragraph styles. Okay. In levels, select the outline level, and the paragraph styles you can click on desired paragraph, which paragraph style you need, that you can select. Okay, and next one is columns. So whether you want to show your index in 1 column or 2 column or more than 2 column, like that you want to show, that you can select here, along with the width, separating line, etc. can also be mentioned here. Last one is column. It divides the table of content into different columns. That is one the screen I had shown you. In this 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, etc. more than. Okay, and next one, last topic is background. So you can see here background. So in background you will get 3: none, nothing, color, or image. In color you will can select, you can give a solid color behind your table of index, or in image you can give any graphics, patterns, etc. can be given as background. That is also available. Editing of table of content. Once the table of content has been edited, so how to edit? Once I have created and later I am adding some more content to my tables, so how that content will appear here or not? So it will not appear there. So you want to update the table. So right click on that and click on edit index and apply desired changes, then click on OK. So editing also, you have to click, right click and edit means some changes whichever you are going to make in that table. And updating means once it is open, right click and then you have to click on update index. So automatically new content which has been created after creating the table of content will also be shown. Deleting the table of content. Okay, so let us I will show you the practical applications once. Now theory is over. So to create table of content, I am going to take one empty file, new, and I am going to create one text document. Let me take my sections. I have first standard, then second standard, then third standard, then fourth standard. 4 classes I had taken. Let me make it big screen so that it is visible for you people. I have done. So these are not that much visible. Let me take it is into 18. Okay, so fourth standard. So inside my first standard I am having A section, B section, C section, and in second standard I am having A section and B section and C section, and in third also I am having A section, B section, C section, and I am having my fourth standard also A section, B section, C section. Okay, so this is my content. Okay, each content will be appearing in different pages, like first standard will be first page, second page, like that. But I am not typing any big content. I am just showing the practical way how to do it. So consider this is my topic name and these 3 are subtopics. This is topic and these 3 are subtopic, topic and these 3 are subtopics. Each subtopic may contain different pages, like one topic may contain 2 pages, another topic may contain 5 pages, another topic may contain 10 pages, like that. When I finish my entire this content, I'll get a booklet of 100 pages. Okay, so now how to do this? So as I told you, each heading should come, each topic should have a particular heading. So let me select first one, and I'm going for my styles. In the styles I'm going to select heading. You can see here all the headings available, so from 1 to 10. So you can see each one has style is also different. Some are inclined, some are in straight, some fonts are in different. So I'm going to select heading 1 as my first slide. Okay, and I am selecting my fill document, applying for the same for second. Sorry, it has not been selected, I think so. Let me select once again. Yeah, heading 2 I selected. Heading 1, then I have selected. Now for 3 also I had given. Now 4 also I have given. So 3 also, second also, and first also. So all have, these all are in same heading. Now I am pressing escape key to come out of fill scale. Now I am selecting my heading number 4. I have selected fill also, and I am coming and I am applying my subtopics. 3 of my subtopics, then here 3 of my subtopics, and here 3 of my subtopics, and here I am applying 3 of my subtopics. So this is in one heading and this is in another heading coming out of that. So now my data has been selected. Now I need to select all my data. Before I am going to select, I should click on the location where I need my table of content to be inserted. It's in first page, first line. So I have pressed here, first line. Now click on insert. Now go to last. You can see table of content and indexing, and here you can see table of content index bibliography. Click on that. So in center you will get one option. Let me arrange that into one side so that it is visible, easily visible. Title, type, first one is type. In the title I am giving as index, INDEX, index I had given. Then it is asking me, do you want protecting means the manual changes, anybody is changing in manually after later you want to protect, means you can click on yes, or you don't want, you can click uncheck. Okay, now I am clicking yes. Entries, all the things you can give, starting, ending, hyperlink, all the things one by one. Levels are there, structure and formatting is also there. In styles you want to select anyone and you want to do all the changes here, you can do that. Then columns, you want to appear that in one column or second column, that you can select. I have given one column. Background you want to give none, is right now. Color, if you click on, you can use old color. You want to give bitmap, You can select the patterns, but I am giving none. Okay, or let me take one color. Okay, I am giving yellow color as my background. Now I am clicking at the last, click on OK. So you can see my table of content has been appeared. So this is my table of content, these are my topics. Okay, so you can see that these are my first main headings, and remaining all subheadings are also shown here, and with one black color, okay, as a background. So that is about your table of content. Now I am going to create here fourth after fifth I have given, and I am giving here again A, B and C sections. Now this has not been updated. So what I need to do, I need to right click on my here update index. Still it is not taken. Why it is not taken? Because these are not in heading. So what we need to do, select the text, and we have to go for our heading 1, and these 3 are should be in our heading number 4. Since it is not in heading number 1, yeah, heading 5th has also been taken. Okay, now right click, update index. You can see 5th has been appeared here. That is a method of updating that. Right click, edit index. You can change the things whatever you want to editing windows. So thank you for watching this one. By this your table of content is also over. Now we will go for our next topic, that is LibreOffice Calc. And here you can use edit, record, track changes, manage and compare. These two options are also there. I'll explain that along with the Excel. Yeah, both are same. Thank you.